Morning, guys. What is up? I'm looking at NAS here, and I like what I see already here. Okay, we're showing bullish here on the session buys, and I'm going to take a buy right here on this red line, knowing full well that it could come down here, but I want to enter the trade here because I don't want to miss the whole trade, just in case. What the heck is that? All right, we'll try again. Right, here we go. What happened to my blue there, man? There we go. All right. I'm going to put it here. All right, let's see if we can get an entry here, guys. I'm looking forward to hit this line. I'm going to enter when it hits this line. Let me get ready here. Let me get my finger on the trigger. How you guys doing today, man? We went 200 pips yesterday on the stream, man. Beautiful day. Beautiful way to start the week. Let's see if we can keep it going today with a nice NAS trade. NAS looks like the best setup. Let me put an alert here just in case it just shoots down. US 30 looks good too, but it needs to pull back. I need it to pull back to around here. NAS is almost there. That's why I like it the most. Gold is very bullish. Looks bullish anyway. Doesn't show it on the session buys, but it looks bullish to me. Now I got shrinkage on the chart, man. Why do I got shrinkage on my chart? All right, let's see what we got. We're probably going to come down to here, guys, but I don't know for sure. Nobody knows for sure what's going to happen. Anybody that tells you they know for sure is full of crap. So I'm going to enter here on this fair value gap. Okay, so why am I entering there? We had to break a structure. We had to pull back. We got like a double top here, whatever they call that crap. But the thing is, we pulled all the way back to the last fair value gap, and that's usually a good entry point, you know, especially when you broke structure. You work your way back. You're at the last fair value gap now. Now it has to touch it. It looks like it might leave without us, and that'll suck, but it could happen. But let's see what happens here. Maybe it'll just come up and reject off this fair value gap. Hopefully it'll just come down and tap us in here. Tag us in, man, like a tag team partner. What do we got here? Let's make a little plan. That's 50 right here. 58. There's 60 pips right there. I'm going to put it right here. 58 pips. That's going to be my TP1. Like that purple as always, so we know. There we go. That's TP1. If this, takes place, I'm going to take like 3/4 of the trade. That's almost 60 pips, so that'll be like 45 pips. Close to it, depending on our entry here. If it does shoot below this red line and we get in below there, it'll definitely be 45 pips at least. So let's see what happens, guys. This is 1 minute trading, bro. Stack trading on the 1 minute time frame. This is the daily win. Okay, this is where we come every day to get our first win for the day, man. Let's rock and roll. Should I get rid of the side? Nah, I don't want to get rid of it. I like to look at it. Let me check US 30. Yeah, see US 30 is coming down. If US 30 taps us in, we'll take US 30. I probably could get in US 30 right here. Now it just looks like it might leave without us, so let's look for our backup plan here. Might be a little too high. Probably better here, but I want to get in the trade. I could handle drawdown all the way down to here. So wherever it goes, man, I'm gonna hold because I know I'm just gonna take another entry and end up capturing the whole thing and making more money in the end. But I still want to get a smart entry. I guess a better entry would be here, man, at the bottom of the demand zone. Let me move it. Well, let's see what it does. I think Naz is going to tap us in anyway. Let's see what GP. Okay, yeah, we're coming down. Good. I'm in the trade. Let's in the trade in the free signal group, guys. Guys, get in the free signal group, man. What are you waiting for, man? You don't know what free means? What's going on with you guys, man? All right, here we come, guys. We're going to get tapped in here, man. A little patience pays off, man. You know, this is the only, well, I don't know if it's the only one, but it's kind of unique that we get paid to wait. That's what I like to say, man. We get paid to wait, man, when we trade Forex. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to put the link for the free signal group. These are different trades, guys. These are trades I take on the daily time frame. We're in 2 trades. We're in drawdown actually on 2 trades, to be honest, but we're holding and we're going to win. We're going to win because I said we're going to win. That's the way it is, man. All right, so let's see what happens here. We're actually coming back down now. Yeah, break even on one of the trades. Damn, why does this thing say my thing is wet? That's crazy, man. Gave us a little zone there. You see that? Put a little demand zone there, so we probably should enter there. Let me see how it's moving. It's really having trouble getting down there. The buyers are waiting right there, man, so it's good. Okay, I'm in, guys. It rang the alert, and I am in. Right there. Let's go, baby. See what it does, guys. We got 25 minutes to New York. To New York Open. Exciting, man. Okay, we just closed that fair value gap. There's actually two of them there. We just closed both of them. So, I don't know if that's what it wanted or if it wants to come sweep the pre-market low, which is right here. Remove this. Oops. All right, guys. Put it right there. If it comes there, I'll take another entry, guys. It's saying mix. The session bias went to mix now, so we gotta be careful. But we're already in the trade, so we're gonna hang with it. I like the trade. I like the way it's set up. We'll see what happens. We're right at our entry, pretty much. The only thing I will say is the longer it hangs around the entry, the less good it is. What's going on with US 30? US 30 just tapped that line. I'm already in this trade, so I'm gonna disregard it for now. It came just a minute too late, man. We're already in a trade here. Let's see what we got. All right, let's break out of there, Naz. Give me a nice engulfing, man. Here we go. Beautiful. See that? That's how we do it, man. Now we just got to get through this fair value gap. That's going to be an issue. Let's see if we can do it. Come on. Come on, baby, light my fire. We're at the halfway point now between the pre-market high and the pre-market low. That's this blue line here. Some people would use that as a TP. It's a little too close for my liking. We'll see what happens, you know. I mean, it's better to do that than lose a trade. But it's a little too close. I want to get up here around 60 pips. So I could take 3/4, be 45 pips. Or you could take half, 30. It's up to you guys. You know, you gotta manage your own funds here. I don't manage anybody's. I'm not a funds manager. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. You can do it. You don't have to do it. It's up to you. We're all adults here. You know. Let's see what happens here. Come on, keep going, man. Why are you dying out? Come on. See, I don't like that wick. It came right to the halfway point, and then it wicked down. The sellers were waiting right there. Anyway, we got 20 minutes to New York Open, guys. Let's see what happens here. Okay, in case you guys are new here, way I do it is I take profit. After I take profit at my TP1, I set a stop loss, and then we let it run. Let me see what happens. My goal really is to get that TP1 secured. That's our definite profit. That's why I started taking a little more. I used to take half. Now I take a little more. Because more times than not, it does come back and stop us out, I notice. So I want to secure that little extra each time. And I think in the long run, we'll come out more ahead that way. You know, that'll serve us better, I believe. But we'll see. You know, this is an ongoing study here. The situation is fluid always, man. You know, we have to adapt and adjust. And that's it. My allergies are killing me, man. What the heck? Florida's terrible for allergies, man. I just pull them back a little. Not crazy about that, but let's see what happens. There's not much volume right now. In 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we're going to get volume right before the open. And that'll pretty much tell us how this is going to go. Here we go. Let's get a nice push here. Come on. I got to do the train sound effect. Is that what it needs, man? Come on, baby. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Remember that when you were a kid? I don't know if you guys remember that, man. I don't know. Maybe that's only us 100-year-olds remember that. Sounds silly nowadays. Let's see if there's any news on. We got any news today? Let me check. I didn't check the calendar yet. Today's the 7th. No news today. Just New Zealand dollar news. And that's at 10 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow we got news at 2. FOMC meeting minutes. And that's it for the week. We just got one more red folder for the week. Guys, I get that on Forex Factory if you want to know. Go to Forex Factory and put in calendar. You can even filter out all. You just want to pay attention to the US dollar red folders. For the most part. If that's what you're trading. Like, you know, if you're trading New York session. If you're trading another session, you know, I don't know really what to look at. Depends on the session. You believe Conor McGregor's coming back to fight again, man? And this dude he's fighting is no slouch, man. I hope he don't get himself hurt in that, man. That was brutal when he broke his leg that time, man. You guys see that? Holy crap, man. I couldn't even look at that, man. His freaking leg like snapped in half. Crazy, man. Well, I hope nobody gets hurt, man. I'm sure they're going to make a nice payday off that one. But I hope nobody gets hurt. Conor's pretty cool, man, but he's a bit of a maniac. I think he's a cokehead, man. Dude looks crazy sometimes. We're about halfway to our target here, guys. We're close to it. We're moving very slow now. We got 15 minutes till the New York Open. In 5 or 10 minutes, we should start getting more volume. I still feel like we're going to push up. We'll see what happens. If it does come down, guys, I have an alert set here. I will be taking another entry right here, and I won't be taking it to here. Once the first trade breaks even, I will close this one. That'll be my TP1. That'll be about 30 pips, 28 pips, something like that. If that happens, you'll know about it. You'll see it, and I'll say it. But we're pushing up. Let's go, baby. Oh, we're coming back down. We forgot something. We left a little liquidity somewhere. Right back to our entry. We actually touched our entry. Looks like we're going to come down before we go up. Guys, the link to the Signal group is in the chat. Please like the video and subscribe if you're new. Don't worry about this. We're about to win some money here, man. Don't let them fool you. Don't let Nas fool you, man. All right, let's see if it taps us in for the second entry. All right. The buyers gobbled that up pretty quick. See what US 30 is doing. Gold. Everything's kind of consolidating right now, waiting for the open. We're back in profit, guys. See if we can push up now. So far, we didn't need that second entry. Didn't give it to us anyway. But hey, 10 minutes to New York Open, guys. We should start getting a little more volume here, anticipating the open. We're right at our entry. Anticipation. Come on, just give me my money, man. You know you're going to pay me. Get it over with, Naz. Stop being a little biatch. Trying to fake me out, all that crap. We know where you're going. We know what you're doing. We got your number, Naz. Okay, I'm getting ready to take another entry, guys. If it rings that bell, I'm in. I can't see it leaving without taking out liquidity now. Especially now we're going to start getting more volume. It's definitely going to ring that bell, man. That's the way I feel about it. I'm ready. My finger's on the trigger, man. Let's stack them up. That's 7 minutes to New York, guys. I'm wondering what it's going to do now. We're going up, or we're going to come grab that liquidity first? We're coming back to our entry point. Came right to the entry and rejected. That tea is hitting different today, man. It feels good. What do you guys think, man? Up or down? All right, 5 minutes to New York Open, guys. We should start getting a little more volume here. Here it comes. Right at the demand zone. Is he gonna ring that out? I'm in, guys. And I'm in the second entry right there. Let's see what it does now. All right, so this is TP1 right here. Once this first trade goes to break even or a couple of pips in profit, I'm closing this second entry. That'll be about 30 pips, 28 pips, depending where you got in. Well, let's see what happens here now. We took that liquidity, I hope. That's the pre-market low, guys, I got marked out here. So let's see what happens now. I got to get rid of this alert. I don't want that ringing all day. I don't know, we just wait. Now we get paid to wait again. Three minutes to New York Open, guys. Right in our entry. Seems very slow, man. I don't like that. It's like tense. I feel the tension in the air, man. It's just hanging right there, like waiting for its orders, man. Come on, baby, get up there. Pushing down a little. Two minutes to New York Open, guys. Jumping around, man, like a Mexican jumping bean. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh, we're in profit. Come on, push up. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Here we go. We're getting ready to blast off. We're in a little bit of profit here. Get ready to close that one full. As soon as this one goes, break even or a couple of pips in profit, close this one. And you have like 30 pips in the bank. $30 seconds. $10 seconds, yes. There we go. Boom. What do we got? It went down. Mother. Up. Right back up. Here we come, guys. Get ready to close. Come on. Okay, I'm out. The second entry's closed, guys. I got out a little higher. All right, I'm taking profits, guys. Damn, keep going up. Shit, I got out right here. I took profit right here. Man, that was quick. All right, my stop loss is 29429.9. No. Get out of there, you bum. Ah, stopped out. Damn, guys. All right, did you guys get a chance to take profit? I took it like right here. I was a little slow on the trigger there. It moved so fast. I'll put a line right there. It's about where I got out, guys, just so I can figure out how many pips I got on that. Maybe a little lower. I don't know. I'm not positive. I could go look at my my thing. But anyway, this one I closed a little high. Closed up here. So we'll call that 30 pips. That's 33 right there. I got up around here somewhere. So that's 30 pips here. Let me put that down. This one. Whoops. It's going up now. If you guys didn't get out, man, take profit. What's going on here? Oh, this one. Sorry. It's the wrong one. I got about another 45 on this, I'll say. $45 plus a couple here. Yeah, we'll call it 45. Anyway, it worked out perfect, guys. We got this extra 30. You know, that's why I don't mind when it goes a little drawdown. I don't care. We just take it for another ride, man. So that's 30 pips, so 45, 50, 75 pips, guys. So we're up 275 pips so far this week. We got 200 yesterday. So pat yourself on the back, guys, if you took that. If you caught any of that, you're an expert. What's up, my friend? How you say your name? Mask Foos? How you doing, brother? Thanks for stopping by, man. Dude, just go in the description and put those indicators I have there on your chart, on the 1 minute chart, and start watching it. Okay? You want to pay attention to the pre-market high, pre-market low, and all the zones in between. And you're just going to enter. You're going to watch the session buys. Okay? That's right, Trade Sharp. This kid, he's a sharp kid. I like him. These are not, none of these are my indicators. None of them are, they're all free. So go to session buys, grab this. And if it's telling you it's going to go up, then you watch for a pullback to the pre-market low. And vice versa, guys. But just watch, man. Watch every day. Do it with us, man. But anyway, guys, that's 75 pips for the day, man. Guys, like and subscribe, please. I appreciate all you guys, man. Thanks for stopping by, man. I hope you made a couple of pips. God bless you guys, man. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day on purpose, my friends. Cheers.